Got another video for you guys. I'm gonna tell you guys why I'm excited about Bitcoin, why we are still on a bullish trend when it comes into referencing Bitcoin in connection with the wallet addresses. Okay, as you can see, this top line is the price of Bitcoin from 2010 all the way to 2021. But you notice right here, this orange line, what this orange line represents is the number of active addresses. So as you could see, even all the way to all the many times that Bitcoin was on a bear trend, while Bitcoin was on a bear trend in the 2013-14 bull run, look at the addresses. It would continue to increase. The last bear trend, after the last Bitcoin bull run, while everything was going down on the price, the addresses keeps on increasing. So this is what's going to end up happening in the end of this next bull run. While everything starts crashing down in the price, you're still going to have more accumulation of wallet addresses. This is a positive way to look at it. When you're investing in cryptocurrency, why is it important to invest into long-term holding? Have some of your positions if you're not a good trader. Because at the end of the day, when Bitcoin starts crashing down, whatever, for all the FUD, there will always be more people all around the world continuing to join.
I wonder what you think will happen to the US dollar in the future amid this digital economic shift.
I think the US dollar is going to spread to 5 billion people. I think that this decade is going to see the explosion of the US dollar as the reserve currency of the world. It'll be the digital currency that'll be on every iPhone and every Android phone and every country in Africa and Asia and South America. And it'll move on Bitcoin rails. The Bitcoin open monetary protocol is what allows the US dollar to spread to billions of people. What you're going to see is the US dollar and BTC, both of them spreading to billions of people, because the world needs both. They need a medium of exchange that's compatible with payment networks and it's high speed. There's 8 billion people on the planet. Eventually they'll all have a mobile device. They're all going to need a currency on the device, and they're going to need an asset on the device. As the world comes alive, they're going to realize that the only way that they can deploy digital currency to everybody on Earth is with a digital asset and an open monetary protocol, and that is Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, on the other hand, really is a play on central bank balance sheets and the adoption of the technology. So the adoption of technology goes relentlessly forwards. There's been less retail activity because of the sell-off and, some of the Chinese issues, and, the ESG narrative has slowed the buying down. So the market's been pretty heavy as Chinese miners have offloaded some of their inventory because some of them are closing up shop or having to move location. And that's weighed down. We see that Grayscale Trust hasn't been buying much Bitcoin recently. But over time, if I'm right and the narrative shifts towards, we need to print more money again, then Bitcoin's going exponential, because everybody understands that Bitcoin is the best asset in the world to own in a re-expansion of the balance sheet.